Hello po, this is our system class scheduling system represented by Group 3. First of all, this is our login form. Mag-sign in ka muna sa admin. Yan po ang aming dashboard. Dito mo makikita ang about sa system namin. And if you click the student, you can add new student and ilagay mo din ang iyong information. And if you click the instructor, you can add new instructor din. And ilagay din ang information about sa instructor. Then the next one is the rooms. Malalaman mo dyan kung anong room pasukan mo and what floor ba. And sa subject, makikita mo ang subject code, subject name, unit, what course, and your level. And you can add din ng new subject. And sa class scheduling, makikita mo dyan ang subject code mo, sino ang instructor mo, and sa timetable view, ibibigay na ang study load mo or makikita mo na. And pwede ka din mag-sign in as a student. Pwede din mag-sign in as a proof. Sa bawat proof po, iba-iba makikita nyo na schedule nila. Yan lang po and salamat.